So I invite you to join me, my friends, in a moment of peace. Let's take a moment and just gently close our eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe deep into your center and allow your body to relax. Allow your shoulders to drop. Allow your jaw to relax. Just loosen from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Just allow your body to become comfortable enough that you can feel that breath as it moves in and out. And as you breathe, allow your mind to center in the beautiful space of peace. As you breathe in, affirm, I am peace. And as you breathe out, allow that peace to be released to the universe, to move out into the world. So breathing in, I am peace, and release that breath, that peace. I am peace. I am peace. I am peace. And as you breathe, feel that peace permeating every moment and every molecule of your being. Every organ, atom, tissue, fiber, function of your being, filled with, flowing, the energy, the beauty, the wonder of peace. And if there's any area of your body where you feel pain or tension or discomfort, literally breathe into that area and affirm, I am peace. And as you center in that peace that resides deep within you, bring to mind now someone that you're holding in prayer or holding in thought. Someone maybe who's moving through a difficult time. Envision them in their mind's eye. Just envision them and see them clearly. And as you see them, affirm, you are peace. Knowing that peace is the wholeness of their being. Every inch and every ounce of who they are is that radiant center, that radiant light of peace. And as you breathe, gently allow that energy to expand, to reach out to the whole world, to the universe in which we live, all of our inhabitants, all sentient life, humanity, nature, our animals, all alive with that radiant divine spirit, and see peace moving across the globe as we affirm that peace prevails on earth. And let that be our affirmation. May peace prevail on earth. And we breathe into that peace, and again, just release it. And feeling that deep calm, we just give thanks for this time spent in stillness. And bring your hands gently over your heart and feel that energy of peace. And press palms together as we wish each other blessings With our namaste, the light, the peace in me salutes the light and the peace in you. Breathing in and returning gently to conscious awareness and blinking open your eyes. Have a peaceful day.